Another edition of the online arbitrage free leads. As usual, if you haven't joined my Discord server, there is a link down in the video description. And if you haven't already signed up for a free trial of Source Mogul, free 10-day free trial, find a link down below in the description. Now, moving on to your free leads of the day today. So here we found our first product. It's this one, Tranquility Premium Overnight Disposable Absorbent Underwear, size large, 64 count, selling at $21.58 from Kmart. You plug in those numbers. Now notice that this brand, Tranquility, is gated, but it did auto-ungate it for me. So I think it should for you as well. It's a nice profit, nice 10% ROI, and all the other variables are looking pretty good. As you can see, Cheap Chucks is the one that is getting most of the sales, but some of the other these are even FBM, they are not even FBA, so you probably get a better chance if you're FBA, and the price is steady. No IP claims whatsoever coming up on the alerts. So yeah, this one is good to go. So here's another good one, and I'm going to tell you why this is a great example of a product that many people won't buy, but I think that this is a great item. So it's a Crock Pot. This is a very popular item, $11.96 on Walmart. You plug that in. As you can see, it sells almost 1,000 units per month. And right now, the 30-day buy box is $29.55. So it gives you like a 14% ROI and $3.55 profit. Now, I'll tell you why I think it's a good item. As you can see, Amazon is on the listing, but it's on and off. Amazon, you can tell when it's on the listing on the Keepa chart when you have this yellow color right here. See, yellow color. The yellow color is Amazon. And when you see white here, that means that Amazon is not on the listing. So it either runs out of stock or decides to not be on the listing. Now, what happens? When Amazon is on the listing, there is no profit to be made here. Actually, it would be a loss. Like the average pricing is about $13, $14. But when Amazon runs out, which is, you have like these gaps, like right now it's out of stock, the price goes wild and it goes all the way to almost $30, and that's where there is a good profit opportunity. Now, you may hit those spots where Amazon is in stock, and then you are not going to be able to sell because Amazon is selling. But when Amazon runs out, then you will be selling out of your inventory. So I think this is a good product to buy. Now, I really like this item. This is in the industrial category, and the great things about these items is that, for example, this is a spark plug, I think for automotive, for Ford. And as you can see, not the biggest ROI, but the good thing about this is that it's a resilient item that you will always be selling. People will always be needing spark plugs for their cars. And this item does not depreciate. If anything, it appreciates. So great item to buy. As you can see, Amazon is on the listing on and off. As you can see by the chart, on and off. But it is sharing a healthy amount of, actually the majority of the sales is being shared by FBA sellers. So good item to buy. And as you can see, the current buy box price is actually larger than the average. So you would be making more if you decide to go higher. But I always try to use a 30-day buy box price like that. Now, here is one more item. This brand, if you don't know it, it's a really cool brand. It's beloved by homemakers and people that cook. Pamper Chef, smooth edge can opener, selling for $29 straight on their website. So $29. It sells over 200 units per month, a great sales volume. And the profit is almost $5, 12% ROI. Amazon is not on the listing. Sales are evenly distributed across the board, and the data is solid. So great item to buy right now. Now, do you like the brand Nike like many people do? And I know I do. Well, here's a Nike item. Nike shorts. This is YL, youth large. And as you can see, it's youth. And then you choose large, the same exact product. Selling at Kmart for $12.50. Great sales volume, over 1,000 units per month. Now, I'm ungated on Nike. You may not. To get ungated is super easy. Just go to the, I'll do a video some other time, but just go to Nike.com and buy like socks, or to get ungated, I bought wristbands, Nike wristbands, who were like $5 each. So spend a total of $50 to buy 10 items. And then Nike lets you return it for free. So buy it, get ungated, return it, and you can actually do that within a week. So if this item is still available, you can go and buy it. This is a great item. And unlike what most people think, Nike items are not returned that often because people are very loyal to the brand. The only reason it would be returned is if it doesn't fit right, but generally people that buy this type of items, they buy to replenish their wardrobe. I know I do. I buy running shorts and I keep buying the same size that I already know because it's worn out. So this is a great item, a great find. Go ahead and buy it. As you see, Amazon is not even on the listing. Sales are evenly distributed, so go ahead and buy it. Now, if you're a beginner, this is one probably, I can't think about a better item to start with than this one. It's a book. It's actually a good book with a really low bestsellers ranking, 42,000 in books. And as you can see, if you go to christianbook.com, it's selling for $8.99. Original retail price $27. And on Amazon, it sells, the 30-day buy box is $31.75. So it's a 40% ROI on this book. Now the Keep chart is all over the place. Amazon is not on the listing, but as you can tell by the statistics, the sales are being spread out across sellers, and it's going around that price, $30. So even at $30, it's like pretty good ROI. So go ahead and obviously ungated. So go for it. All right, that concludes our session for today. More coming in future dates. Remember to subscribe, join my server on Discord if you want these leads to happen in real time, so you don't wait until the YouTube video comes out. And if you want leads that are not even on the YouTube video, so go and sign up. It's free. So seriously, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. And also, if you want to try this software yourself, the Source Module software, for free for 10 days, also link below. You'll also find a lot of other links on my video description for free trials and discounts that you can take advantage. And as usual, like the video if I gave you any value at all today, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next time.